Colonel Ninny here. This series of video tutorials is designed for the brand new player to IL-2's Battle of Stalingrad. It's a very complex flight sim and there's a lot to learn. And to help you get there faster, check out my channel. I've got over 100 tutorials that will guide your progress. This is the last in the Wind of Fury series before we start on the Lightning Strikes campaign. Mission 10 takes us on another long armed reconnaissance where we're looking for transportation and railway targets. And so we'll start this video from waypoint 4. We just received word to abort the mission and head towards Eindhoven. No, Eindhoven is behind us. They're telling us to go to a heading of 220. It's going to establish our bearings where we are exactly so we can pick up the right heading. There is a large forest, the Rhine River, and Nijmegen right below us. Large forest, river, Nijmegen, so in a heading of about 200 degrees. And altitude is your friend, so we always want to climb when we know we're going into an air combat situation. See the altitude, 9,500. We're going to open the supercharger at this altitude. There we are, we're in Super 2. See the boost jump up, and we're going to bring the boost pressure down. Perfect. Okay, we'll just keep climbing. Now in this series we haven't really done any dogfighting. We've had a couple of opportunities, but it hasn't really been a challenging dogfight. But one thing we need to look at here is the aircraft performance. What I want you to look at here is the boost pressure and RPM. So unlimited is 4.5 and 3150, so we can do that all day long. Next you can go for 60 minutes at boost of 7 and 3700. So this is what you'd want to choose if you're going into combat to give you the best performance for the aircraft. So my boost pressure is 7. I can bring this up to 3700, the RPM, and that'll be my maximum power. Notice how the boost has gone up, so I'll bring that just back down to below the red line. There's our airfield at Focal. Almost there. Okay, we've arrived. I'm going to tell my pilots to look for attack enemy aircraft, and we'll just keep a good lookout here. Okay, down below over the airfield there's a whole bunch of airplanes. Okay, supercharger 1. Watch the overspeed. Dive in and see who's who.
Dogfight. Search for enemy aircraft. Free to engage. Out.
And watching my 6. Always climb, always climb. There's one right down there. Now I'm bringing the power up. Don't chase him, climb up. My 6 is clear. And down after him again. to get underneath him, not on top of him. I'm in the wrong position to do it properly. I need to get behind him like this. Okay, that's better. Leading him. And if I chase him like that, that's no good. I'm going to break it off, climb up, check my 6. And he's down. Great. More aircraft down there. I have to try to identify them. Here's a 109 coming towards me. There's a 109. Wrong position. Climb.
Coventry, this is Charlie 4, proceeding to base. Over. Charlie.
There's one. By the lake.
Charlie 2, I'm wounded. Charlie 2, I'm on fire. Failing out.
I'm not worried about my 6 at this moment because I'm going so fast.
Coventry, this is Charlie Leader.
Now, where did he
proceeding
go?
to base. Over.
Charlie, copy.
There he is. I'm going as fast as I possibly can here. The sun doesn't help. It's a 190. Tell by the square wings. Notice I'm almost blacking out here. Be very gentle pulling on the stick. Ah, lost him. Ah, shit. I was going too fast. Okay, I'm using that speed to climb. My 6 is clear. Now I can get him a second time.
Coventry, this is Charlie 4, flight requesting landing approach.
Every time we look around, we tend to lose the target.
Charlie 4.
There he is.
Roger.
Dog Road 2, target destroyed.
This is the time when I'm going to get jumped. I should let him go and just hit home. Unless I'm gaining on him. Alright, I got him there. 6. 6, and he's turning. He's damaged though. In single player mode, we have 7 other friendly aircraft, but no one's communicating effectively with the other. For an example of a more realistic dogfighting experience, check out this video. Pieces of them. Watch how important teamwork and communications is in this multiplayer scenario. Alright, I'm clear. He's damaged. I'm going to pull my power back a bit.
I'm wounded.
And one more attempt at him, and then I'm going home. Always trying to keep him in sight, always. Yeah, he's done. Alright, I'm going to head home. So obvious heading is 020. It's the town of Eindhoven. Always know where you are. Yep, Eindhoven 020. and watch my 6. And I'm going to hit the deck on this one. And I can still maintain my 3700 because it hasn't been 60 minutes, that's the maximum. Supercharger 1 is on or off? Supercharger 1 is on, which is what we want at low level.
Leader. Flight requesting landing approach. Over.
I'm watching my 6, make sure nobody's gonna zip me on the way home.
Formation and continue with the mission. Out.
So in low-level navigation, I'm going to cross one canal, second canal, and then the river, and then I'm at the airfield. Here's the river. Oh, look, there's some lights that tells me where the airfield is. That's a bit of cheating, but anyway. So we're crossing the river at a bridge. So let's put it on auto level and see where that bridge is. Is that this one?
Coventry, this is flight. Bears capable. Requesting.
There's a strong crosswind from the right here, if you recall. You can see that windsock on the right, so that's why I'm drifting. So I'm going to be pulling it slightly to the right. Right wing down.
Coventry, this is Sun Cup leader.
Hopefully by now you will be quite confident in your ability to navigate on a winter map. And you should be pretty good at operating the old Tempest. So thanks for watching, guys. I hope you'll join me for the next series, which is Lightning Strikes, where we look at the P-38, an awesome machine. As always, if you've enjoyed this video, found it helpful, please like it or subscribe. Or if there's another topic you'd like me to cover, please leave a comment. Thank you, guys.